My vegan dog is still alive. Look at her run, look at her thrive. If my dog can be vegan, so can you. If my dog can be vegan, so can you. Reading comments today, here's what you have to say. You say that you love drinking milk from cows. And you want me to reply with a video. Alright, so what I'm wondering is, are you trying to say that if there was a cow here right now, you would like run up to the cow and go underneath and lay down and grab that cow and start trying to get the milk out of the cow and just put it directly into your mouth? Is that right? Does it seem a bit weird to you? Would you also try to do that with the different dogs that are here? What about the cats across the street? Would you do it there too? I mean, it just seems strange, doesn't it? You know? Cow's milk is for baby cows. You're not a baby or a cow. Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals, go vegan. Reading comments today, here's what you have to say. You're asking, what if you're half a vegan? Just think about what that means. How would you feel if somebody said that they are half racist? Does that sound weird to you? Like, what does that mean to be half of something? If you know something is wrong, you strive to get rid of that thing as much as possible. Racism is wrong, sexism is wrong, you know, hurting your wife is wrong. You don't just like, you know, cut it down to like a couple of times a week or a couple of times a day. If it's wrong, you end it completely. Paying for animal abuse is wrong. Paying for somebody to be murdered is wrong. Paying for innocent animals to go in gas chambers, which is what they do to 6-month-old baby pigs, is wrong. My vegan dog is still not dead. You gotta quit listening to rumors and get it through your head. Vegan dogs are normal in every way. In fact, they're healthier than most, so order vegan kibble today. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Stop making excuses and just be vegan too. While we watch the vegan dogs play, I'm going to respond to what you say. You say, I'm not vegan and I have great food. I respect you and your heart, but sometimes you just have to eat animals and sometimes you have to eat plants. If you live near a store, there's no excuse for animal abuse. There's no reason for you to pay somebody to kill an animal or to kill an animal for yourself, for that matter. Animals are here on the planet with us and not for us. And the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anyone can be vegan at any stage of development. There are vegans in the Olympics, there are vegan doctors, lawyers, there are vegan babies, children, teens, adults, grandparents, mothers, pregnant mothers, lactating mothers, fathers. There are vegans everywhere around the world. Google howdoigovegan.com to understand what I mean. Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself. Go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Reading comments today, and here's what you have to say. You say, I'm always in the mood to hate on your content. Well, look, to be honest, I don't really believe you. I mean, what is there to hate? You hate Bella here? She's just a sweet vegan dog. She never did anything wrong. And all I've ever done is try to protect her and all animals. I mean, I don't believe that you're really such a mean person. Like, why are you writing things like that? Who is encouraging you to be such a bully? Would you say that to my face if you met me in a grocery store? Or would you say, hi, Miss Katie, how are you? What would life be like if you just took a day off from being mean here and just decided to Google vegan recipes just for something different.
Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
Okay, a quick break. We're gonna go and eat this delicious, fantastic, nice cream. This is 100% made with whole foods. No sugars, no fat, nothing. The ingredients are frozen bananas, put into a blender with strawberries, and inside there is a tablespoon of flax seeds, which ends up giving you extra omega-3 fatty acids. Tastes just sort of like a cone almost. You know how cones have that sort of wheat type flavor to them? So this is what we're eating right now. Thanks a lot for joining us, and don't forget that it's so easy to be vegan and to be healthy as a vegan as well. Reading comments today, here's what you say. You say that you are Asian. I'm not sure what that has to do with anything. What does the shape of your eyes have to do with what you eat? Or the color of your skin? Or even where you live? As long as you live near a grocery store, you can be vegan. In fact, you were born vegan, just like everybody else. When you were little, you never wanted to hurt animals. So I'm not sure why you're telling me that you're Asian. I mean, what does that even mean? What does it mean? Are you trying to say that that's why you eat cats? Not all Asians eat cats. Not all Asians eat dogs. Not all Asians are the same. I mean, this is lumping everyone together.
Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now. Save them now.
Reading comments today, here's what you say. You say that you saw me at Target. Well, did it ever occur to you that maybe you should ask me if I was at Target instead of assuming that the person that you saw was me? You know, it's not just about this situation. It's just about, in general, not assuming things, but checking with the person first. Instead of telling a lie, which is what you just did, because that wasn't me, why don't you just ask me, hey, Miss Katie, were you at Target? I think I saw you there. And then I would say, no, that wasn't me. In fact, I don't even have a Target store anywhere near me. There used to be one, but it went out of business. So, yeah. That applies also with everything that you hear from the meat industry. The meat, dairy, and egg industries lie to you. Don't believe everything that you see or hear. You know, check for yourself. Get the information.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who has ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.